This is my Nissan Versa, and it's making a weird rattling noise. Stick around and I'll show you how I fixed it. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy and I like to make short and helpful videos like this one. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. Lift up the car with a jack and secure it with a jack stand. Step 2. I found out that my heat shield is resting right on the exhaust pipe towards the back. This creates the vibration noise. Step 3. Smash that like button. Step 4. I took some washers and a wrench set under the car with me. And finally, I placed a small bracket like this on this side and a washer on this other side and tightened the bolts. Now, there's plenty of space between the exhaust and the heat shield and it's all set. Like and subscribe.